Bonjour, bonjour, fragrance lovers. This is Clémence. I talk about fragrance. Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we talk is the most attractive fragrance for men and women. If you're looking for the top list, I've done what fragrance drive men crazy and what fragrance drive ladies crazy. The lists are here, there and there, so you have feminine, masculine, whatever is for you. What men's really likes, according to internet, according to Google. I'll tell the truth, we all know that, right? I'm sure the result that we're gonna have is exactly the opposite of me. I wear a lot of fragrance like anything, but I have a soft spot on stealing fragrance from the men's range. So I don't think internet is gonna write that. I've got a feeling we're gonna see only sweet fragrance. Let's see. Fragrance that drive men crazy. Then we can say maybe fragrance to attract men. Men eat a fragrance. That's horrible. Sometimes you like a bit of intention, right? Doesn't mean you really want to eat the man. If you don't know Reddit, that's a lot of people commenting. We're gonna see like who are actually normal people in women's fragrance. There's this man saying, men don't give a shit. As long as you don't smell bad and you're clean, you're golden. Is that for real? For a fact, like men are a bit less complicated than us ladies. That's a cliche, but come on. I feel like 90% of men think some Victoria's Secret body splash smells good, and that tells me that as long as you smell like something kinda sweet and nice, they like it. I'm pretty sure you could get a Calgon body spray at Walmart and they would like it. Man, you have to defend yourself on that comment. Come on. Of course, like we are into the fragrance community, you're all gonna tell me you like this kind of fragrance on women and blah blah blah. The random man maybe just, don't really care. But I agree, like this Victoria's Secret body splash or all over the place, I don't mind it, but it's not the most, distinguished fragrance, But exactly what I said, I'm sure if it's kind of sweet, it's okay. I feel very lucky to have a boyfriend who is always interested in my scents and love the same notes I do. You're so lucky, girl. And unlike many guys, hates gourmand sweet scents, he likes fresh or straight up forest smell. Forest smell! Who's that guy? I need to meet that guy. I smell forest. You should wear fragrance you like, not ones you think other people will like. Yeah, well, we totally agree on that. You need to wear what you have, just like me. I don't really care, But it's interesting to see, in a global basis, like what people like, Especially like if I'm going to a place where there's a lot of people, especially like if not after work, hopefully that will happen again after COVID. I want something that would be a crowd pleaser because strategically it's smart thing to do. Or you can counterbalance it and have something extremely powerful and extremely unique to stand out. So different strategy, but it's interesting to know. Hey, I hope this is okay to post. So I keep seeing the Dior sausage joke on here. This idea was haunting me till I did it. So I used my graphic design skills to create this ad for Dior sausage. I hope you enjoy it. What's this? Sorry, I just need to check that. Okay, enough. Sorry, I'm just like losing it. Okay, let's go to another thing. Like this Reddit is a bit stupid. We as women care deeply about what we look and smell like. Wow, that's maybe a bit stereotypes, but okay. Most of us have a really special beauty regime we do every day that includes lavering our bodies with delicious smelling body washes and spraying ourselves with our favorite fragrance. Yeah, well, definitely. Luckily, men notice this little effort and they are drawn to specific scent in women. Well, not always, like especially when you do a new haircut, like no one see it. Here are 10 scents men love. Coconut. I love when a woman smells like coconut. It just reminds me of the sun, beach and vacation. What can be better than that? Mike, 41. Thank you, Mike. Coconut is one of my favorite ingredients. I think it's really cozy, a bit exotic. That's a good thing to know. Tommy Girl Lotion and Coco by Coco Chanel. If I had to pick an actual product, it's a tie between Tommy Girl Lotion, never tried that, what's that? And Coco by Coco Chanel. The former smells fresh and the latter smells sexy and to touch dangerous. Oh yes, Tom 33. Tom, absolutely. So Coco is the classic, so it smells super spicy, you know, with cinnamon, orange, very wintry scent, but so alluring and very sexy at the same time. I remember I had many compliments with this one. I was in a bar and I was having a date and we were ordering like a cocktail at the bar. And the bartender, that was charming, came and he looked at me and he was like, "Oh, what's your fragrance? You smell absolutely delicious." And I was just like, "It's Coco by Chanel." In front of my date. No, I'm joking, come on. I had good compliments with Coco all the time, so I can definitely see that probably men then like the fact that it's flowery, spicy, fruity and ultra alluring. I think a Chanel will always work, to be honest. Vanilla. I love when my lady wears her vanilla perfume. It reminds me of cooking and baking. There's nothing sexier to me than a woman who can do both. Jim 48. Cooking and baking, and you think there's nothing sexier? Oh, that's super modern, Jim. Well done. I'm definitely not the good woman to be married with because I don't like cooking. So, but I do wear vanilla perfume. See, ladies, you know how to cook? You wear vanilla perfume? Perfect. When a woman wears light blue by Dolce & Gabbana, I just can't keep my hands off her. It's that clean, just go out of the shower smell that drives me wild. Nade 29. That's I would say a secure scent to me. It's nice. There's nothing really special, but I can see what they mean. It smells clean and fresh, so I understand. That's why I like in men's fragrance as well. I like something that smells clean and fresh. So overall, they like or sweetness or something that just smells nice and clean. Lavender. That's the first time I hear that. I didn't know like men like lavender particularly. My girlfriend uses lavender oil occasionally and I love it. It just reminds me, feels so relaxed after a long day at work. He comes back from work, he's very stressed. You wear lavender scent to calm him down. Ah, interesting. Chanel number 5. Yes! Yes! A good man. I'm attracted to women who wear Chanel number 5. It's sophisticated scent that turns me on. Adam, 28. Adam, I love you. I will always think that number 5 is the most classy, timeless and elegant fragrance. Men Eater fragrance. Oh, that's gonna be wild. I don't have this, but I was wondering, is this a man-eater perfume? Cherry Mugler Alien. To my sense, yes. Someone saying Dior Hypnotic Poison? Yeah, like a proper oriental, we know, with a lot of character. That's, you know, like on the line of Coco from Chanel, so I get that. Hermes Kelly Kalesh, oh, I've got that. That's, I think, super elegant, and the fact that there's a touch of leather. It's a risky one because it's not in the trend at all. Like it's more like a bright leather fragrance. There's only women commenting on that. Who cares? We want to hear the man. Lavender and pumpkin pie. Weird. Vanilla. So definitely vanilla. Popcorn. Donuts. Peppermint candy. Cheese pizza. Oh, come on. What's this? Is that a big joke? Okay, you've got worst article of the internet. Green apples. No, but come on, poor men. Let's see a last one, maybe. That make women more attractive to men. Your natural scent. We are in a fragrance channel. Lily of the Valley is quite old, but delightful. Rose oil, but not roses. Are they actually joking, those articles? According to men's nose, rose may be too strong of a scent. Sorry, Cleopatra. However, rose oil is a no... a horse of a different odor. What does that mean? In a 2014 study, researchers from the Karolinska Institute in Sweden discovered that rose oil, that is an essential oil smelling like roses, influenced participants to rate pictures of women's faces as more attractive than they had when smelling something undesirable. In this case, fish oil. Yeah, but of course fish oil was used. But what is this article? That is not relevant at all. Vanilla is universally well-liked. Yeah. Vetiver and its understating sex appeal. Okay, this article is now much better. Wear vetiver all the time. It's possible that you never heard of vetiver, but fragrance specialist Chandler Burr described in an article for JQ, the grass indigenous to India smells similar to lemongrass. It can be worn like tobacco leaf, it can have a crushed leaf, blah 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 blah. Vetiver has an understating sex appeal. Musk is a must. Yeah, musky fragrance, the bit slightly animalic, that's super sexy. There's this original musk from Kiehl's that is absolutely impressive. Who doesn't like to smell like donuts? What's the thing with donuts? I do have this fragrance though from Ariana Grande. Does it have donuts? Peppermint is exciting. Lavender and pumpkin cap. Okay, they're cheating on each other. All the websites are saying the same. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and you did learn a bit like me. I'm not convinced about the pumpkin pie, neither the donut. Maybe we need men expertise, so please in the comment tell us what you like. Next week I discovered together some exclusive fragrance house, so stay tuned. Follow if you never followed my channel, you won't regret it. Leave a little like and I will see you very soon. Bye now.